Whoa. We've got crispy, crispy chicken wings. Wow. Hi, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager at Haven's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to make crispy chicken wings in the air fryer with a delicious dipping sauce with our coconut cashew. So I'm gonna toss my chicken wings in a little bit of oil, a little bit of cumin, and some salt, throw that in the air fryer, and then I'm making my delicious dipping sauce with a little bit of apple juice, shallot, our coconut cashew sauce, cilantro, and chili flakes. Special equipment. Of course, we have our Ninja air fryer, my girl, my bestie, and then I have a small whisk that I'm going to use to make the dipping sauce. Just be mindful that all air fryers kind of work differently in terms of heat and temperature. This does not require to be preheated, so I'm not going to turn it on now. However, if you do have an air fryer that requires to be preheated, you're going to want to set that to 400. Let's do this. Can I start cooking?
Yeah.
Great! We want to be generous here with our salt, cumin, eyeballing it. Give these a nice toss. Shout out to Butcher Box for sending these wonderful chicken wings. Next, I'm just gonna gloss these up with a little bit of oil. Toss again. And I'm just putting them in here one by one. Don't know if you want a little shot of what the basket looks like, but here it is. And these are gonna go in for about 20 minutes. We're gonna flip them halfway through so each side gets optimally crispy. All right, let's turn it on. I'm gonna set it to 390, air fry, start. We'll do 10 minutes on this side. While the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna make my dipping sauce super quickly. Apple juice for a little bit of sweetness, shallot for a nice bite. I'm gonna do about half a pouch in here. Chili flakes. I love lime, so I'm just gonna add an extra squeeze and let's give her a whisk. My timer just went off, guys. I'm very excited for the reveal. Whoa. We've got crispy, crispy chicken wings. Wow. So if you want to make this recipe for your family, friends, for yourself, whoever, you can click the link below to get the full recipe. Our coconut cashew sauce is the star of the show here with this incredible dipping sauce we've got going on, which you can find on our website or at Whole Foods. All right, that's it for me. Comment below your preference, wings or drums. I'm genuinely dying to know. I don't have a lot of other things going on, so I'll be, looking at the comments here, and I'll see you guys later.